How to fix WhatsApp images not showing in photos on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to open WhatsApp application on your device and tap on the settings option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the chats option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Save to Photos. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Privacy and Security option and then tap on the Photos option and then select the WhatsApp option you see there. Now, go ahead and set the WhatsApp to full access if it is set to none or selected photos. WhatsApp can't save images when it is set to selected photos or none. The next fix is to try to restart your device, as restarting your device helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So sometimes iOS delays syncing WhatsApp media to the Photos app, so a simple restart can reboot and trigger it. Next, launch the Settings application again and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the iCloud option. And if you are out of storage in your iCloud, WhatsApp may not be able to save new images to your camera roll. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp images not showing in camera roll. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.